we go. Enjoy your day. Good morning, Ohayo gozaimasu. Thanks for tuning into TTF. It's been probably over a year since my last video. Every time we move, the transition is a lot longer than I think and I'd like, and it takes time to get set up and get back out on the water again, but I'm excited to be out here. I'm pushing out of Okuma Beach out here in Okinawa, and I don't know much about this fishery. That's what today's about, just learning what the floor looks like and where fish are holding and testing out new techniques developed by the Japanese. Let's get on some fish. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Oh, is he off? No, he's on. Let's see. We're in 24 meters here. Just checking the waves. A few white caps out here. All right, I don't trust my leader. I don't know if I should horse this guy in or let him wear himself out. Whatever it is, it hit on the Daiwa Salt Mineral Pro, which is a shallow diver, but pretty much top of the water column. Okay. Some good marks underneath. All right, there we go. Nice color. Little bonita. Make sure we don't get close to that hook. Try not to hurt this guy. There we go. Nice little fighter. Perfect release there. There it is. First tuna. All right, buddy. Thanks for the fight, but I'm not trying to eat you. Enjoy your day. The sound of that drag was beautiful. All right, let's get orientated. See where the breakers are. I think we're clear. Wind's pushing from the north, so I want to push up as far as possible, and then we'll drift back in. Oh, fish on. It's fighting pretty similar. If I land this guy, I'll keep him as a bait. Cut him up and use him from the shore. He's running all over the place. Yeah, looks pretty similar. Fighting similar, shining similar. Yeah, these guys are fun to fight. That's 6:35. We're in 31 meters. Just about 10 minutes apart. Yeah, this is a good size to keep for bait. He's a little smaller. He's still very green. I don't want to bring him in. Oh, I got an idea. We'll put him in here. There we go. He is probably a third of the size compared to the first one, which is perfect. Perfect for bait. Let's see. I actually found this lure in Hawaii probably four years ago, floating about 2.5 miles offshore. I probably have footage of that. I should look for it. But it's produced for us. 2 of 2 this morning. I'm going to bleed them out. Usually have scissors, but I'm gonna have to go with these cutters. Sorry, guy. It's 7:15. Pretty choppy out here. I was hoping I'd find a drop off and get into deeper waters, but I've been teetering in 45 meters for a while. I'm at least 3 miles from where I launched, probably more because I had to evade the breakers on the reefs. But I don't want to push out anymore, and I don't know if it's going to get deeper soon. I'm going to throw my sea anchor out and drift, and we'll start jigging. Not very deep, but with safety in mind, we will settle here and see what happens. This guy will hold position for us so that I can jig. It's 8:10. I'm drifting pretty slow, about half a kilometer an hour with the sea anchor. Might be a little too slow to cover water. I think I'm gonna lose the sea anchor and drift in a little bit faster and then set it once I mark. I'm gonna head in and spend time with the family. We are here on a camping trip and fishing is just a bonus. I'm gonna bring my line up. I'll troll, see if there's anything on the surface, and we'll give it another shot maybe this evening or tomorrow morning. Swimming towards me. Oh, he might be off. Oh, he's off. Man. That was a really nice run. And these depths is probably a GT. That's too bad. Too bad we couldn't stay hooked up. "5:33 a.m. day 2. Let's go." Shoot. There we go. There we go. Fish on. Oh, come on, stay on. "5:58. We're 10 meters. He's kicking like a tuna. Swimming all around me. Small Bonito. Little guy, thanks for the fight. Wait, let's use pliers. Looking good. All right, buddy. In you go. See you later. Thanks for the fight. And he's off. Look at this, emergency drinking water. There's a net right there. Something suspended at 30. We'll go 3 colors down. There's a lot down here. Seaweed. Oh, and we're on. We're on. Oh! Came off. Come on. Why does it feel like my jig is gone? I just tied a new leader yesterday. What the heck? Oh, it's a failed knot. And I didn't bring... Oh my gosh. They must have ran into a reef. And I can't tie up a new one because I didn't bring extra leaders. I left it in the car. I'm just gonna tie straight to the jig as an alternative. Man. And we'll go with let's go with a little 20 gram. See what happens. Oh, fish on. Had my drag too tight. All right. Not sure what this is. Not fighting like a bonita though. Maybe just a bigger one. See some color. See some silver in the water. Ah, it's another bonita. These are the guys breaking the surface all morning. This guy's pretty strong. Small guy too. He's hooked up good. That's why he felt bigger. Let's get this guy released. Got hooked pretty good. Let this guy go. See ya, buddy. Get some air. He's tired. It's 7:52 and it's just too calm out here. There's not a lot of movement. I am going to slowly troll in and head back towards camp. We have to clean up our campsite and head out of here today. Unless I mark something significant, I probably won't stop and jig. I've got a deep diver on my trolling rod. Once I get inside 30 meters, I'll switch it up to a shallow diver and see if anything wants to eat inside the reefs. Not a lot of action today. A lot of bonito out there, especially inside of 50 meters. I am just about back to shore. Thanks for tuning in to TTF. As always, stay safe, keep fishing, and mahalo.